Who be that? Who be that? Cynthia.
Toby.
What happened?
I want to go outside to go buy something. Pad. My period just came out and he didn't give me a sign. I need to go
outside
buy.
the gate.
I want to go buy pad.
By this time.
Just help me open the gate, please.
I'm coming. Stay there, I'm coming. This is the key to the gate. Cynthia, please. Now only this is what I get for this life. I better come back on time. I beg. Come back on time, Obiko.
Can I just keep the key so I'll lock it from outside? That way I don't get to disturb you when I come in.
Cynthia!
Let me just go with the key now.
You can keep the key. But when you are coming back, let me know on time. Oh. Turn now. The other one. Cynthia, be careful. Don't spoil that gate for me, because
I need you to prepare charm for me. Exactly same one my colleague Chisomi is using. Can you imagine that this girl tied the prince and the prince does literally everything for her? How? I need that exact charm. 18, a weapon. Same measure, same quantity, that same charm, that particular one that she used, that is what I want. In fact, you can add extra because I want the prince to marry me. Yes, that is what I want, wise one.
What exactly do you want? Giving you money or marry him?
I want both. I want both.
Apa ada posime? Oya te kabro ya bro ya magini. Makana ferio kan heru de la totu ngiga. Oru ko la nan kan heri ya ngudele ke we totu ze ya ngiga. Makana jon ka potana jo ya. Ke di fe ya ngudele karaka. Pijida kata. Midiga kata ada paganya. Ofo. Ota kodi. Ofo. I have look at me. I got that pussy. My take over again. I have look at me. Take this. Take. Don't be afraid. Take some powder. Mix it with your cream. Rub it all over your body after taking your bed. Go to wherever he is. Once he sees you, he will be attracted to you. And what you want, you will get.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you so much. I hope this works.
It will.
If it works, I would come back. I will make you my regular customer.
It will work. Just go and do what I told you to do. You will see the handwork of Orakwe, the Obokodibe. Here, we put your
Cynthia, where did you go last night? Because I woke up in the middle of the night and I didn't see you. So where did you go?
Me? I was outside, taking fresh air. Inside was really hot. I decided to just sit out and think about my life and, take fresh air.
Cynthia, the same outside I came out last night and I couldn't find you. Eh? Or have you turned into a ghost? Is this something that you are not telling me?
What's up with all this question? Why were you looking for me? What is it? Eh?
Cynthia, there is something you are hiding and there is something you are not telling me. Cynthia, what is it? What's going on?
Don't even get me started. What is it now? Wait. Is this why you called me out? To ask me some stupid questions? You were looking for me? As what? Am I your boyfriend?
Cynthia, the last time I checked, you are my friend.
And
I have every right to ask you questions.
Who dash you right? Don't try this next time.
Don't
even try it. Why won't I be?
Why would you ask me that? Hey, there is something big here.
My friends, here is your water.
I didn't ask for a glass of water, did I?
Oh, I thought you asked for a glass of water a few minutes ago.
When? Are you hallucinating?
No. I thought you said you needed water.
Please, take it away. I don't want water. I didn't ask for a glass of water.
Okay.
Just go. Thank you. Go with the water. I didn't ask for it.
I'm sorry.
Are you out of your mind?
Oh my goodness. My brains, I'm so sorry.
Hey.
Thank goodness it didn't break.
Hey. What are you doing?
My brains. This is miracle. It didn't break.
What's your mission here?
Nothing. The glass didn't break. I just picked it up.
Did I ask for a glass of water?
I thought you said you needed a glass of water.
Are you hallucinating?
No,
Have you gone mad?
I thought I heard something like that you needed a glass of water.
No, I know your type. First, you brought a glass of water. I asked you to return it. Then you dropped it on the floor and you turned your backside for me to look at your butt, right?
No!
Are you here to seduce me?
No! May the gods forbid.
Are you out of your mind?
My friends, it was a mistake. I just tried to pick it up. And that's it.
You tried to pick it up so you can show me your butt.
No! May the gods forbid I tried to seduce you, my prince.
But did I ask for water?
I thought I
Did I ask you to give me a glass of water? No.
My prince,
You came to seduce me.
No!
You turned around so I can see your butt, right?
Did I try
backside.
to... No!
That's what you're doing.
No. My prince...
Shut up!
My prince, I wasn't trying to seduce you. I swear on the gods.
Hey, take her to the back and punish her mercilessly.
No, my
You're
prince,
out of your mind. Get out of here! Go now!
My prince, I swear, I wasn't trying to seduce you. I swear.
Take her out of here!
I can't. My prince, please. I'm sorry. My prince, please. It was a mistake. My prince, please, have mercy. I'm sorry.
Sorry now, sorry. But this girl, you get mine though. Hey, you get mine. Won't they borrow you mine? Eh? Why will you go and seduce the prince? Why?
So Tochi, you believe the prince?
Yes, I believe him.
Tochi, if they wake you up in your dream and tell you that I'm capable of doing something like that, you believe,
I'll believe him, oh. Because the prince I know will not just accuse you for no reason. No, it's not possible. Eh? That man, he's too big for that now. You and I know that the prince is too big for that.
Okay. Even though I did it, is that why they will flog me like that? They flogged me like I'm an animal.
Sorry.
They flogged me mercilessly. They flogged me.
Sorry. But that's because he ordered them to flog you now. Eh? You don't expect them to disrespect him. It's not possible. Sorry.
It's today that I know that this girl is very stupid and desperate. Just imagine, going to seduce the prince.
Adana, it's okay now. I know what she did was wrong, but she has been punished. Let's forget about this, please.
Anyways, that serves her right. Next time, she should learn to have some fear.
It's okay.
My son, Yesterday, I heard the maiden saying that you gave Chisom some money to go and make her hair. Was that true?
What's wrong with that, Mom? I don't see anything wrong with giving her money to make her hair. So I saw her and she looked very untidy, and I decided to help her with some money to, take care of herself.
How could you? How could you stoop so low as to giving a common maiden money to go and make her hair? What for?
Mom, like I said, I don't see anything wrong with that.
Don't you know that that could have contributed to Cynthia's attitude? You have made yourself so low before them.
Mom, like I said, I clearly don't see anything wrong with that. Like I said, she looked unkept. I decided to help her with some money to make her hair. And I think her mother is also sick, and she probably used part of the money to buy some drugs for her mother.
It's high time you started treating these girls like maidens that they are, if you still need your respect.
Mom, I don't understand. What has my helping someone got to do with the respect they owe me?
By the time they start looking down on you, then you will understand what I'm saying.
Well, from my point of view, I don't see anything wrong with assisting with some money to make their hair.
It's okay.
Now my daughter you go marry, she be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Just give her attention. Now my daughter you go marry, she be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. She's well preserved for you. Now my daughter you go marry, she be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. This men are mean, this men are serious. They want to win the heart of prince for their daughter without minding what it will cost.
My friend, will you stand there? What is your mission in this palace?
My queen, I have no mission. I'm only here to work and get paid.
My son gave you money to make your hair. What for? The crown prince of this kingdom gave you, common maid, money to go and make your hair. What did you do for him? Eh? What did you do for him that will make him stoop so low as to give you money to go? Look at you. You even fix beads on your hair. Eh? Chisom?
Yes, my queen. My queen, I'm very sorry about that. The prince saw my hair unkept and decided to give me money.
What happened to your salary? Have you not been paid?
I have, my queen, but I sent to my sick mother to buy drugs.
Be very careful. Chisom, be very, very careful in this palace. Whatever mission you have, I am warning you. Get out!
Thank you, my queen.
Out of this place! Fool!
My love, Mama Licha.
See, I don't know what the problem is, but I've been asking you for this thing. You don't want to give me a response. Listen, my mother has been on my neck. She said I should get married and settle down. But you're delaying this whole thing now. Ogini.
Obima, I'm sorry.
No,
no, it's not like that.
You want me to buy you Rolls Royce? Before you agree.
I said I was going to come and see you tomorrow.
Okay.
But since you're here, let's just go straight to the point.
What is it?
Yes, I'll marry you.
Wait. Sorry. Just repeat it again.
I said I'll marry you.
For real?
Yes, I will.
You will marry me? You are not joking! Wait, let me. No, my love! Are you serious? I'm so happy, like, I am the happiest.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ozoma, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I want to talk to you. I want to see you. Come.
No, you're the one of my CEO.
So bad the door. Come, I want to talk to you. It's very important.
Now?
Sorry. Just take your time.
What can happen? I want to talk to him. It's very important. Follow me.
Wow, this is good news. I need to just... See you later!
Ozoma. The reason I asked you to follow me to my house is because you are my daughter's best friend. And I can do for you what I can do for my daughter.
No, thank you.
You're welcome. But let me start by asking you some questions. Who was that person, that boy I saw you standing on the road?
No, his name is Johnson. And he wants to marry me.
That thing wants to marry you and you accepted?
Yes, Nai. I accepted. And he's planning on coming to see my parents very soon.
Ozoma, cancel that arrangement.
What?
Yes, cancel it.
Nani, I don't understand. That I should cancel my marriage arrangement with my man. Why?
Because I want to take you to a man that will take good care of you. A man that will give you everything you want in this life. Clothes, shoes, jewelry, bags, even Brazilian hair. Food or whatever. That person is ready to spoil you with those things.
Nani, you are confusing me. It's Yoku. Okay. Who is that person? At least let me know if it's something I will accept.
Ozoma, I know you are a good girl and you are a smart girl too. Are you aware that the prince of this kingdom, Prince Udoka, wanted to marry my daughter Neka? But that useless, good-for-nothing boy by name Pascal deceived her.
Yes, so now I was aware. As a matter of fact, I even tried to make her see reasons to what you were saying that time. But she did not listen to me. How I wish I had that opportunity. I would have grabbed it like this, because it's not easy to be a wife to the king to be. Neka fuck up.
I like the courage. I like the courage. Ozoma, do you know that you are a lucky girl? You are a lucky girl. See, let me tell you. That opportunity is still vacant. Yes, it's still vacant. See, don't worry. I will take you to the prince and introduce you to him as his wife to be. And I know he will like it because you are a beautiful girl. You are a beautiful girl. You see?
Nai, thank you so much.
He will be happy to have you.
Then again, Johnson, what am I going to tell him about our plans?
Who is Johnson? That thing I saw you with, standing on the road. That thing that cannot fit himself 2 square meters.
Nai, did the prince ask you to get him a wife? I need to be sure so that I will know what I'm doing.
Ozoma, I am the one holding the prince's marriage because he's waiting for me to bring somebody and introduce to him as his wife to be. So don't worry, tomorrow or next, I will take you to the palace and introduce you to the prince.
Yes. Thank you so much. So, hey, Nai, I cannot wait to come to the palace as the prince.
Just stand up. Turn around. Hey, let's go do
come
someone.
to the palace as the prince's wife to be.
Prince will be happy to have you as his wife. Don't worry, I will soon take you to the prince. Don't worry.
Nai, thank you.
Just go and get prepared.
Thank you.
Let's
I should go.
Hey! Ozoma. Hey, what's that? Don't worry. Tomorrow and next I will take you to the prince. Just look for your best dress. Hey! I think I'm going to get
Our prince, you are welcome. According to our tradition, that states that you must pick a daughter amongst the chair members here. This is done purposely to bond the royal family with us, the cabinet member. For that reason, come here with our daughters so that you can know them officially. I hope the floor is now open for you. Thank you, my prince.
Oh no.
Yes.
You have spoken well.
Thank you.
This clearly shows that you are a true son of this land. Thank you.
You are welcome, my prince.
And elders in council, I greet all of you. I'd like your daughters to introduce themselves individually. Let's start with you.
My prince, my name is Beatrice, but my friends call me Beauty. I'm the daughter of Iche Ezeka.
Nice. How about you?
Ozioma, my prince, I came with Iche Zobi.
You?
My prince, my name is Pamela, Onowu's daughter.
Chief Pius, you have a beautiful daughter.
Thank you, my prince.
And so does all of you. As tradition demands, we must come back here in 2 market days to witness the event, which is choosing the next queen of this kingdom. And I'm very excited that we're having this meeting as tradition demands. And I want to say, as you go back to your various homes, may the gods of our land protect you.
Who's that I go win the heart of prince? Opposite one ye gonna be prince you gonna or the Igwes cabinet. Fan job gonna they want their daughter to marry the prince.
It's over 24 hours you've had a meeting with the elders and their daughters. Have you made your choice?
Mom, as customs and tradition demands, they have until 3 months to prepare their daughters, ask them certain vital questions, and reassemble here for an examination. And after that is done, which obviously they did yesterday, they would go back and come back in 2 market days for the prince to make a final choice.
Then, who among them did you choose? Because by now, you're supposed to have someone in mind.
Mom, it will be very unfair of me to reveal that to you now. Good thing is, I have met with all of them. And in due time, you're going to see the chosen one.
It's okay. Just that I can't wait to see my daughter-in-law to be the future queen of this kingdom.
Patience, Mom.
It's okay.
Patience. Be patient.
That's my son.
This food is so nice, oh.
Now, as usual.
I can't remember the last time I had this kind of food.
Go check. I go check.
So nice.
So I'm enjoying it.
Yes.
Okay. Eat, oh? Even one. Chisom, this your hairstyle is different from others. And you are shining. So you are lavishing your salary on your body and your hair. Chisom, have you forgotten why we sent you to the palace? To work and save money you used to pay for a shop where you will sew clothes. Nine.
Chisom,
Yes, Papa.
You know I don't have money.
No.
Even your mother here does not have any money.
Any money?
The money I saved, I used it to send your brother abroad. And since then, he has been the one sending us small money that we are managing. Our idea of sending you to that palace was for you, if you get there, you work and save your salary. So that you will pay for a shop. Then I can run around and see some money to add for you. Then you start your business.
Yes.
This idea of you receiving your salary and squandering it. How did you learn it? Huh?
I don't know why you both are being worked up over nothing.
Oh. Did you hear her? So you mean what I and your father are saying is nonsense? You mean there is no sense in that? Eh? Hey.
Papa, Mama, I didn't make the hair with my money.
Then how did you get the money? How did you get the money?
Where did you get the money? Eh? Have you started following men? Or are you doing hookup?
Ha, Mama, now, why would you say
in a messy
like
hookup,
that?
Mama.
Mama, why would you say a thing like that about me now? Okay, the prince gave me the money.
Huh? Which prince? The prince, oh.
Mama, do we have two princes in this our kingdom? Our own prince now, Prince Udoka.
Hey! Huh? Prince Udoka gave you money. So, he has been giving you money since. Eh? For what? Why? On a metal like that.
Hi. Mama, stop now.
Chisom.
You're not ready.
Chisom, I want to understand something here. You said Prince gave you the money.
Yes, Papa.
Good. Did he give you that money as part of your salary, or he just dashed you the money? Prince.
Papa, it's not part of my salary. Okay, the prince saw my hair unkept and asked me why. I told him that the money I was supposed to use and make my hair, I sent to Mama to buy drugs, so he gave me the money.
Just like that? Eh?
Yes, Mama, just like that.
Where is he also seeing?
No.
Where is he Megan?
Mama, stop now.
It's okay, you make your foot even.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you. I want to talk to you.
Remove this your leg. Mama, no.
I want to sit close to you so that you can hear me well.
Because it's very important.
What is it? See, Ozioma. This thing you are doing with this Zobi concerning the prince, on whose permission are you doing it? Because I don't understand anything. Where is he in my water? I don't understand where this madness is coming from. I remember you told me that Johnson proposed to you some time ago and you accepted. So what is happening? What changed? Is it that Johnson is no longer interested in marrying you or what?
Mama, Johnson is still interested in marrying me. Okay. But the thing is that I no longer feel comfortable being around him. I don't want him anymore.
I'm no longer comfortable being around you. This is the same man you have been in a relationship with over the years and you have never complained about anything. All of a sudden, Ezobi comes up with this prince story. And I'm even surprised that you bought his lies. That good for nothing man. Do you think that he has the powers to convince the prince to marry anybody and he didn't push his own daughter? He chose you instead because he so much loves you.
Mama, he actually wanted his daughter to marry, but the daughter refused. And now I have the opportunity. Listen, let me tell you. Don't bother yourself. Everything is under control. Yesterday, Ichi and I, we went to the palace And we discussed with the prince. Mama, just relax, calm down. Eh?
I'm just laughing at you. I don't know if you are the one I'm laughing at or I'm laughing at your stupidity, because you see this what you just said? You are dreaming. Serious dream. See, for your own good, to avoid had I known, you better go and tell Johnson to come with his people and do the right thing on your head though. Oh,
Mama, stop now. Mama, stop. Eh? I've told you time without number. Don't bother yourself. Everything's under control. Very soon now, you start reaping your fruits. As an in-law to the royal home. Look at me now. Mama, very soon I'll be the prince's wife.
The chosen
wife.
one.
And the queen of this kingdom.
Queen,
Hey, Mama, look at me now. Can't you see a queen in your daughter? I'm the queen of this kingdom very soon.
Just
queen to be.
Shut up. You are talking nonsense. Are you listening to yourself? Are you this dumb? Are you this stupid? Come on, what did I give birth to? This your ears. I think they are just for decoration.
Mama, leave me. Eh?
Nonsense.
I actually thought that you had something important to say. I didn't know that it was about Johnson.
It will not be important now. Don't worry now.
I don't like it though.
It's alright.
Mama, did you buy me anything?
Amarachi, I'm telling you this because you are a woman like me. And you are a mother too. So I expect you to understand where I'm coming from. Want that your useless husband to stop deceiving my daughter with that prince proposal nonsense. Because we all know it's not going to work. And I can't remember telling your husband that I'm interested in becoming an in-law to the royal family. So I don't know whatever his intentions are. I don't know. And I don't care to know. But just be rest assured. Because if at the end of this whole nonsense, the prince does not marry my daughter, thereby making her lose the man that is supposed to marry her now, Amarachi is not going to be funny. Just be rest assured that you're having a co-wife. Yes, so I will bundle my daughter and bring to your husband as a second wife, and he's going to marry her well. You see, traditional rights, I'm not sure he even paid your own bride price. It's not my business. He will pay her bride price in full, marry her in church, and wed her in court. It's a promise.
Matilda, you are very stupid. Yes. You are even the mother of stupidity.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
That's what you have
You
to
don't
say.
even know what you are saying from your mouth. But you know even your corpse will not dare it. If they bring your corpse out now, that your corpse will not dare that rubbish that is coming out of your mouth.
Amarachi, you are the one saying this.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
I can see it's a planned work. Like it's a conspiracy between you and your husband.
You are
right?
mad.
Okay, now let that time go. You will know if I will do it. You better warn your husband. Let him stop that nonsense. He should stop brainwashing my daughter. What is it? You should leave my family alone.
Genti, want that your daughter to behave herself. Your daughter is supposed to know what she wants for herself.
Is that what you have
to
say?
Yes,
of
course.
What you have to
of
say?
course.
No problem now.
Yes, sir,
when that time comes,
you want to bring your daughter to as a co-wife. You will try it and you see what I will do to you and your daughter. Yes.
You are threatening me.
I'm not threatening you.
If you don't want your husband.
I'm not threatening you, but I'm telling you.
Don't talk to that.
You want to bring your daughter to my husband as second wife. Just try it. We're even looking for people to use for sacrifice and not fear. Idiot. Just try it and you will see what I will do to you. Come here, let me warn you. Don't try it. You see what I will do to you, idiot. You want to bring your husband. It's even able that I'm even worried about. I don't even know what is wrong with this man.
Osioma, my friend. Johnson came to my husband's house to tell me something, and I want to confirm from you.
And what did he tell you?
He said that you want to dump him for the prince.
Well, point of correction. It's not that I want to dump him. I've already dumped him. Look at that one. We're no longer of the same class. Including you. We're not on the same class. I'm here. You are here. The reason why you are still rolling with me, you are still sitting on the same space with me is because of the fact that you are my friend. For old time's sake. But wait, what come to think of it? What is all this drama for? Is it a bad thing for me to see something good and go for it? Eh? You people should please leave me alone, no? Ogini Bianca.
Osioma, like, are you okay? Are you mentally okay? Are you alright, Osioma? Wait, you're trying to tell me that you want to leave
A good, responsible, reasonable man, Johnson, who you've been with for years. For the prince. Not just for the prince, for the fact that my own father is deceiving you, telling you that he will make the prince marry you. Hey, Ozioma, have you sat down to ask yourself, what if the prince did not marry you? Okay. Because for where I'm sitting, Ozioma, Prince is not going to even look your way. He will not see you, Ozioma. Now tell me, if he does not marry you, what will you do? God forbid.
No, answer it is not my portion, no. Holy Ghost fire. What is even wrong with you? Anyways, I can only sense some things. Which is poverty and jealousy. Your husband is poor. At least the prince has more money than him. And the fact that you are jealous of the fact that I will be the prince's wife, the future queen of this kingdom. That is why you are talking all this nonsense.
So, my dear friend, if you look at me from head to toe now, you will say I am jealous of you, Ozioma. Ginwa. Me. Mrs. Pascal. Jealous of
queen.
You, Ozioma.
Of course, future queen. Why won't you be jealous?
So, Badre, keep deceiving yourself. Keep taking my father's lies serious. But remember one thing. Don't come to me later to cry hard. I know. Ozioma, don't come to me later to cry hard. I know.
See, Neka, you don't need to stress yourself. This one here, this very girl, she doesn't listen to anybody's advice. You are just wasting your time, or she will not listen to you. Just leave her. Very soon, she will realize what she has done to herself. The only thing you will help me do, please, help me beg your father. Talk to him. Because he's the brain behind all this nonsense. He's the one that has been deceiving her. And she has swallowed everything that your father told her. That's why she's misbehaving. She will not listen to you. Don't waste your saliva. Mama, please. Mama, please. Now you should stop. Stop it. Mama, I know what is wrong with you. Mama, look at me. I know what is wrong with you.
Nothing is wrong with me.
Mama, very soon, the prince will get married to me. Mama, I'll use money and bring you to my level. Because even you're not even on my level. And as for you, please get out of my house. You'll be going to your husband's house. Now you're not married.
Thank God you said my husband. I am a proud married woman, Ozioma. I am married to a good man. Let me go to my husband's house. I said my husband, not my father's house. Be following my father. He's with my mother. Let me go and see my husband.
Meet your husband for me, Jare.
Because that I go win the heart of prince. Opposite one ye gonna be prince you gone over. Or the Igwes cabinet. Fan job I gonna lose. They want their daughter to marry the prince you. Before they go to pancake, before they go to lipstick, before they go to aqua. Candy bogonanya. DJ go cigar, Chinyesi Adafa one. For them to look beautiful. Candy bogonanya. Oseti go. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Just give her attention. Now my daughter you go marry.
My prince, none of the girls are virgins.
Are you sure you did your job well?
Yes, my prince. I did everything. In fact, they all agree that they are no longer virgins.
Holy dear doctor, are you sure of what you're saying? I don't believe you.
Oh no. I am a professional. Anything I tell you about women, they are nothing but pure. I don't guess. You can ask them.
Pamela, you heard the doctor. Is it true?
Papa, what is it? Why are you embarrassing me? When you told me about this, you did not tell me that the prince was looking for a maiden to this virgin. Please leave me alone.
Beatrice, I don't need to ask you this. Because the doctor has said, you all have accepted that none of you are virgins. And you accepted that.
Memegife. Obarankiti means Okwerekwe. Ikwerekwe. Memegife.
My elders, I greet you all. As tradition demands, I must marry one of your daughters who is a virgin. And unfortunately, your daughters came out fairly used. I'm sorry. I know how disappointed you all look. But unfortunately, tradition is tradition. We must proceed. In the absence of none, I'd like to introduce to you Chisom. Please come forward.
What?
Come forward. Stand right here. Chisom is one of the maidens in this palace. She's a daughter to Iche Izuako. I'm sure you all know him. Chisom is very well behaved. In fact, I have been watching her for a very long time. Very humble, very well behaved. And I know the questions on your faces. You want to know if she's a virgin? Of course she's a virgin. Chisom is a virgin, of course. She has never been touched by a man before. Have you been touched by a man before?
No, my prince. God forbid, no.
Answer yes or no. Have you been touched by a man before?
My prince, no. No, I'm still a virgin.
Chisom is the chosen one. Chisom is going to be my wife and the future queen of this kingdom. If you have an objection to that, kindly speak now or forever.
Hold on. When did you plan this?
Mom, can we talk about that later? I repeat, if you have an objection to my decision, you can speak.
I have an objection. My goat and my tubers of yam, I want them back.
Done.
I want my document for my landed property. I want it. Please.
Done. Who's next?
I don't know. I don't believe that doctor. He is a quack!
Do you want to provide another doctor, sir?
He is a quack!
Do you want to provide another doctor? Would you like to get your own doctor?
Ozoma! Stop there. Yeah, Ozoma. What did you call that thing that just happened at the palace? Huh?
Nai, what do you mean? What happened?
You asking me what happened? So, Ozoma, you're no longer a virgin. Open want to get a small girl like you. You have spoiled. Hey! Ozoma, you are no longer a virgin. Now you have made me lose the opportunity of being an in-law to the royal family. Okay?
Nanya, I don't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean that I made you lose your position to the royal family? Are you my father? And your own daughter, was she a virgin before she got married? She is my friend. Neka, your daughter is my friend, so we are birds of same feather.
Joe, listen to yourself. Look at who is talking. But my daughter is not married. Are you married? Also, I am asking you, are you married? So as you can see, both of you are no longer of the same level. See, let me tell you, I will make sure you don't get married in this village. Any man that asks of you, I will tell that man to run into the bush that you are a sport girl. Yes, I will tell the man that you are a sport. In fact, I will announce it to the whole village that you are sport, that you are no longer baby.
Nine, don't try it though. Actually, you are the cause of all these things now. You made me leave the man that wanted to marry me. You made me leave him. And now you are telling me that you are threatening me. You want to tell the whole villages that I'm a spoilt girl. Nobody will marry me in this village. Nine, let me tell you. I try it anyhow. Don't try it. If you try it, then me and you will have issue. Wait, why am I even still carrying this yam?
Ozoma, come and carry this yam. Ozoma. Look at this girl. Don't worry. We shall see.
This man and me, this man are serious. They want to win the heart of Prince for their daughter.
Nah, the water.
This is Bana Christmas.
Mana kaga kadne sili.
This is Bana Christmas.
Nine, that reminds me. What about our plans for our daughter quitting that palace maiden job, so that she'll go and look for a shop where she'll be sewing clothes, as we discussed? Have you spoken with the man? What did he say?
The owner of the shop?
Yes.
Yes. I met with him today. He said I should come tomorrow for the payment. Yes, because the person occupying that shop will pack out tomorrow. So, and he's supposed to be there so that now go on apple. On apple.
So Mama Chiso. Is anyone after you? Who is after you?
Nobody is after me, Mama. Nobody. Mama, God has blessed your family. In fact, God has remembered your family.
How?
Amara, what do you mean by God has remembered our family?
What's happened?
You remembered the prince of this kingdom was asked to choose a wife today from one of the elders' daughter.
Yes, I remember that. Which maybe he has done that, and I know our prince. He must have chosen the wise one.
The prince chose Chisom and rejected others.
Chisom?
Yes, Mama.
Which Chisom?
Which one is which Chisom?
I'm Chisom.
Chisom, of course. Chisom, your daughter, was the lucky one.
Mama,
I'm telling you the truth. Chisom was the choosing one. The prince chose your daughter.
Amara, what kind of joke is this? How can you tell me that the prince of this land will just forget all the maidens in the palace, even in this kingdom, and choose
our poor Chisom,
my daughter, as his wife and the future queen of this kingdom? Amara should be
Amara.
I got rice. Come on,
rice. No, Mama, I'm not hungry. I just came to tell you people the good news. Yes.
Amarashi.
Yes, Papa.
Let me ask you for the last time.
Jonia.
Are you serious about what you are saying?
Yes, I'm sure. Yes, Mama. I have to be on my way now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Seriously.
How
is it going to be possible? She's my daughter, the prince's wife.
I'm confused. So.
The prince?
Are you sure it's our own Chisom, my daughter, our daughter she was talking about?
Pamela, you see, we've lost it. We lost it completely. You heard what the prince said? That he saw you kissing and romancing with a man in the public. Let me ask you this question. If you were the prince, will you marry such a lady? Yes?
Papa, if the prince do not marry me, another man will come and marry me. Because if a man truly loves a woman, you cannot just leave her because you say you saw her kissing on the road with another man. Papa, it was just kissing and romancing at that runabout. It's not like we were making love.
Shut up, you dirty man! Before I do something that I will regret. Kissing and romancing in the public. For sure, it will lead to the other one. Making love in the secret. And I'm sure that happened. You disgrace me, my daughter!
Papa, why are you talking like this now? Why, Papa? We were not making love. We were just kissing at that.
Keep quiet! I don't want to hear what from you. You disgrace me enough. No. No. Well, listen to me. I'm giving you 2 months to bring a man as a husband in this house. Fail to do that, I will disown you and I will throw you out from this compound. Do I make myself clear? Take off and leave my presence. Get away from my side. Prince Udoka, what you did to me is the highest disgrace I ever received in my life. You have the guts to call that stupid doctor, telling people that my daughter is no longer a virgin. Hell. We shall see. Prince Udoka, we shall see.
Nke ndịrị ma ọ gịnị ji gị mee ọsọ ọsọ na ọ bụ ebe a ka m ga-atọ taa. Nke ndịrị m. Hello? Onye ka mụ na ya na-ekwu? Oh, Prince Udoka. Good afternoon. Prince, I will come, but it will not be today. Oh, yes. Please, Prince, I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Thank you, my prince. Thank you.
I don't know what just happened there. Am I dreaming or what? Adana, tap me. Am I dreaming?
You're not dreaming. You're not.
How can the prince of all people that every lady is dying to have choose me? Chisom, palace maiden. Is the prince okay? No, I don't think the prince is okay. The prince is not okay. How is that possible?
Honestly, Chisom, I'm as confused as you are. This whole thing looks to me like a dream. But wait, let's watch till tomorrow. If he doesn't change his mind, or maybe say that he made a mistake, then we can celebrate you as the prince's wife to be and the future queen of this kingdom. Oh God, I pray, let this be real.
Something is not right. It's not possible. Me, Chisom, the prince. How? How?
You deserve it.
You deserve what?
You're a good person.
Prince, me?
Yes.
No.
You're a good person.
Something is not right. Something is wrong somewhere. It's not possible.
Tuchi, I am clearly dreaming.
We are not dreaming.
We're not dreaming?
No, this is our reality. We're in a big problem.
Tuchi,
big miss.
Tuchi, how did this happen?
I don't know. Are you asking me? We both saw it. The prince was choosing her, so Chisom is going to be the queen.
How?
She's going to be the future queen of this land. And you know what that means? You and I, we are in big trouble. Big problem. So I don't know what you want us to do right now.
What are we going to do?
I don't know. Just think of something. I don't
know what to think of right now. I can't think right now.
Are you seeing what I'm saying?
What are you saying?
Chisom, let me ask you. If this thing becomes true, and you finally becomes the prince's wife, and the future queen of this kingdom, what will happen to these two? Toshi and Cynthia. What will become of them? They have never been nice to you. I know you're a nice person. Don't go and pity them. Say something, no, Chisom.
Chisom, the prince and the queen request your presence immediately.
Okay, after you.
Be fast.
Cynthia, we are in a big problem. Big one at that. What is going on? I don't know what. Go and ask her. Ask her down now.
Okay. Adam, my friend. Osipana Adam, my friend. Or be your friend.
Okay, just hold on. What did the guard say? Tell me now. What did he tell Chisom? Ada, talk to me now. Because busybody is. Hi. Come on. Tuchi, what are we going to do?
What did she say?
I don't know.
She didn't say anything.
Tuchi, this cannot be real.
This is real. Hi. You have to accept it. See, we have to pack our bags. That's the only option we have. Pack our bags. How did I even fall for the chance of this trick? Everything he said. Without thinking twice. I was such a fool. I was such a fool by leaving a good man. A man who loved me and was willing to marry me. Oh, look at me. I dumped him simply because I wanted something bigger. I wanted the prince. But at the end of the day, the prince has rejected me. I don't even know what to do. My mother warned me. What am I supposed to do now? Maybe I should go back to Johnson and beg him. Maybe he would accept me.
Hey, so you're actually crying? Hey, when I was trying to warn you, did you listen to me? You felt I was stupid. Now everything is clear. You are crying. Your crying will not solve anything. No, you're just crying for nothing. Next time, you will learn to listen to a mother's good advice. If I talk to you next time, you will listen to me. See, when you are done with this nonsense you are doing, you come and join me inside to prepare dinner. You're just wasting your tears. I don't want to
Udoka, what is the problem with you? How could you do a thing like this? Choosing Chisom, a common maiden, to be your wife and future queen of this kingdom. Have you forgotten her father is evil?
Mom, her father is not who you think he is.
Now you are trying to tell me that you know him more than your late father?
I do. Before my father died, he called me and sat me down and told me everything I needed to know. about the entire kingdom, especially the cabinet chiefs. Those men are evil. The only innocent person amongst all of them is Iche Izuako.
Wait. Are you like trying to tell me that the allegation leveled against him was all false?
Chisom's father is innocent. It's a long story. I'll find time to tell you everything. Uche.
My prince.
You look very uncomfortable. Is everything all right?
My prince, please tell us why you called us this urgent call. Has Chisom, our daughter, committed anything?
Tell us.
Uche, I'll go straight to the point. Are you aware I picked a wife yesterday? As tradition demands?
My prince, I am no longer a member of cabinet in this palace. Well, anyway, I was by chance. The shades, they told me that you made the choice yesterday. So how did it go? I hope you made the right choice because you need a good woman. Why the woman that will move this kingdom forward with you?
Yes.
Iche, my prince. The gods are on my side.
May the gods be praised.
You say? Mom, send for her.
Adanna! Adanna!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come with the princess.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Here she is, Your Majesty.
Go and stand beside the prince.
Iche.
My prince.
Do you recognize her?
Yes. Chisom, my daughter.
My cousin.
But why is she dressed like this?
Because she's the chosen one. You see, amongst the entire maidens who came out yesterday, the gods chose her. Your daughter is the chosen one. And she's going to be the next queen of this kingdom.
In addition to what my son just said, you are welcome to this palace anytime, any day. Iche Izuako, let me use this opportunity to apologize for all you went through in the hands of my late husband. The insults, the humiliation, it was as a result of false allegation leveled against you by your Onowu. We are sorry about that. We are very sorry.
Iche, my mother was right. You were accused wrongly. As a matter of fact, my father, the late Igwe, wanted to physically apologize to you, but unfortunately, he didn't survive the sickness. He died. However, my mother and I are doing this on behalf of my late father. We apologize. We're sorry. And I promise to make an official announcement during our next meeting.
with the elders and council.
Hey!
Hey!
My prince, Lolo, I don't even know if I am dreaming or am alive. My prince, anything you said here is accepted. Lolo, anything you said here is accepted. Thank you.
Hey, my queen, my prince. Hey, I am short of words. If someone told me that this kind of thing will happen in my family, I would say the person is mocking me. But now, it is happening live. Eh? Hey!
No.
Who made my life? My daughter, come and hug me. Hey!
Kiss on
Now you go be my queen. Now you go be my queen. They like and they don't like and now you go be my queen. Now you go be my wife. Now you go be my queen. They like and they don't like and now you go be my queen. Now you go be my princess. Now you go be my queen. They like and they don't like and now you go be my queen. Now you go be my queen. Now you go be my queen. They like and they don't like and now you go be my queen. I have found my love, a true love, someone my heart beats for. I have found my love, someone my heart beats for.
Her Royal Majesty, the queen of this great kingdom. Or when the garden on our cocoa. Please, my queen, what are you doing here? Hey, when the garden Sokwagi. Is it safe we sharing the same space? Is it safe the queen of this great kingdom being here in a poor wretched man's gate speaking with me? Is it?
Neka, please don't be like that. Eh? I called you on the phone and you asked me not to come. But asking me not to come and see you is like telling me to go and commit suicide. Eh? Will you be happy to see me waste my life when you can help me? Eh?
Waste?
You're my best friend and I know that you can help me.
Me? Your best friend? Point of correction, I cannot be a best friend to someone who does not listen to advice. And by the way, my queen, you're supposed to be in the palace now with your leg up somewhere and your maids and guards attending to you. This one bring water, the other one will bring a serviette.
The marriage did not work. It did not work. The prince didn't get married to me again. He got married to one of the palace maids, Chisom, Mazi Zwako's daughter. Eh? It is because I'm no longer a virgin. And you know, I'm not a virgin because of you. I almost became the queen of this land. Almost. If not for my virginity.
Almost.
And you are the one that made me lose it. You introduced me to the guy.
Me? Made you lose your virginity? I introduced you to the guy. Did I open your leg?
But you're my friend, Nanji.
I said stop saying this. I don't like my queen. I don't want to disrespect you, but I do not like it when you say I am your friend. I cannot be a friend to someone who does not take advice. How can that work, eh? Please, my queen. Tell me what you're doing here so that I, a poor, wretched, stinking servant of yours, can attend to your need. Huh?
Please, my friend, I want you to help me and go talk to Johnson. Tell him I'm ready to get married to him. Now tell him I'm ready to accept him, please.
My queen, please just stop this brag. Eh? It's an expensive one. What are you even saying? Eh? I should go and help you and do what?
Hey, I'm begging you, please.
My queen, stop!
I'm gonna beg Johnson, please help me. I'm begging you.
What are serious? So you mean it? I should go and help you talk to Johnson to get married to that you're not ready to be his wife?
Please, I'm begging you. I'm sorry for not listening to you. Just help me, please. Please.
Okay. Huh? Give me 10 hours. I am coming. I will help you.
Hey, Nneka Biko. Nneka Biko, don't listen. Nneka Biko. Hey, Nneka Biko, no. But wait. Which one is I should give her 10 hours? This girl is not serious to help me. Oh. Hey, look at it is because of you I lost my chances of becoming the queen. No, if not by now I would have been the queen. I'll have guards and maids following me around. It's not fair.
Greetings, my princess. Greetings. I called you people to inform you how the affairs of this palace will be. Adanna.
Yes, my princess.
You are my best friend. And for that, you are now the chief maiden. You'll be the only one in charge of my food in this palace. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my good friend. Marital. Princess Chisom.
Thank you, my good friend. And both of you, you already know your work in this palace. And you, Cynthia.
Yes, my princess.
Not a good person. If you didn't change your bad attitude, you are leaving this palace. Am I understood?
Yes, my princess.
I got my eyes on you. Same with you, Tochi. Be warned. Adanna.
Yes, my princess.
Come with me.
Thank you.
Evil people. Look at them. So evil at heart.
Are you happy now?
How am I supposed to be? Are you happy?
I'm not happy.
Of course I'm not happy either.
Imagine Chisom.
Hi.
Commanding us.
Chisomobi yesterday. Chisomobi. Why didn't the prince choose me?
Because you didn't keep yourself well.
Cha, Isiaku, Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezonu.
Yeah.
Elders and council.
My prince.
I summoned everyone here for an important meeting.
Ichie Zuaka is not supposed to be with us here.
Correct.
He's been expelled by your late father.
Correct.
Onowo.
Yes.
You have no right to interrupt me.
But it's not a member.
You will not interrupt me. That's an order. As tradition demands, I must present the chosen one to all of you. By the powers I have as the crowned prince of this great kingdom, Chisom, one of the maidens of this great kingdom, who is a daughter to Ichie Izuako, is going to be the next queen of this great kingdom.
No, it can't be. How? Why? It's not possible. It's not possible. No. How? Why? Never.
I have spoken, and so shall it be.
He says,
Most importantly, this is actually my favorite part. Oh no, your journey as the prime minister of this great kingdom comes to an end.
No, it's not possible. How? Why? How? Why?
What did you say? I'll tell you my reasons.
Good.
Oh no,
yes.
A while ago, you accused Ichie Izuako wrongly. You laid a false allegation on him. You told the entire community he is a pedophile.
Did he deny it?
Shut up! How dare you? Oh no, you committed the crime. You accused him of raping an underage girl whilst you walked around the entire community claiming to be an innocent man. But you committed the crime. You framed him up! And my late father stripped him of his traditional title. You should be ashamed of yourself. How dare you! Now listen and listen good. All ears. You will shamefully step down as the Prime Minister of this great kingdom.
Huh?
No!
And Niche is Wako.
No! It's impossible. Oh, man.
If you have an objection to my pronouncement, then go to court. I have spoken.
So shall it be, my prince.
Thank you, my prince. Congratulations, Wako. Congratulations.
Never happen. Not in this kingdom. Look at this small boy. This boy. This boy of yesterday. Because you are now a prince. You think you can do anything and go scot-free?
As you say, congratulations.
Oh, small boy, because you people, we are allowed to. No!
It will not happen. In this kingdom.
Wait.
I can become the more culture.
Wait.
Who bought this kingdom?
Bayo, Chalo. Mbanefu. Ichi Mbanefu. He say congratulations.
Yes.
Ichi Mbanefu, he say congratulations.
Ichi Ezwako, congratulations.
So these are your plans? These are your plans?
That is after all. It cannot happen. It cannot happen.
Yeah, wait. The entrance of the land. Wait. What's the meaning of this boy George did now? Is it because he's opportune to see himself as the prince of this kingdom?
Ezobi, what will you do? What will you do? Ezobi, what will you do?
You're a madman. A rapist cannot be. I will know who they can. You're a rapist. You're a
There's
rapist.
nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. Exactly, he said there's nothing I can do.
It's okay, no problem. I'm ready. Let me just know why this man is here. Oh no. I hope there is no problem because it's not long you left this palace. Why are you here again?
My queen, I'm not happy. I'm very angry at your son, Prince Udoka. You see, I bought a car for him, just for him to just choose my daughter to be his wife and the future queen of this kingdom. Simple. But he disappointed me. He went and chose a commoner and made him from this palace. Someone, the S.E.Gwe, expel his father. Cabinet members, he's not among us again. That is the person he chose to take as wife. He never showed any remorse or come to me to apologize to me for what he did wrong. Rather, he disgraced me in the front of all the cabinet members, taking my title, giving to the same man. He has chosen his daughter to be his wife. Is it fair, my lord?
Oh no. I want you to understand something here.
Okay.
My son, Prince Udoka, is the future king of this great kingdom.
I know that.
And he has every right to choose whom to marry and whom to be his cabinet member. More importantly, let that serve as a lesson to you. Yes, you don't have to work against an innocent person. It is evil, very wrong of you to plan evil against an innocent person. Oh no, you cannot eat your cake and have it. It's not possible. Yes, you caused the whole thing. The blame should be on you, not my son. I think I am done with this conversation.
My queen. My queen. I'll try to do this here. Ah. Hey. I draw one mile. I draw a mile. Hello? Yes. Hello? Yes, it's me. Olowu. Iche Ezobi. I want to see you in my house tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock. It is very important that we meet and discuss before it's too late. I want us to act very fast. About others, oh no, don't worry yourself. I will call them and tell them to come exactly 10. Please let your 10 be 10. Biko. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Extend my greetings to your family. Thank you.
Maleka, I'm going for the meeting. Please take care of the house. Ozoma, what are you doing in my house carrying your bag?
Ichie, what sort of useless question is that?
Ozoma, what is wrong with you? You just walked into my compound with your bag. And I asked you what you are doing here. You are asking me what kind of useless question. What are you doing here? Carrying your bag. That is my question.
Since you want me to tell you, I will. Oh. Well, I'm in my husband's house.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Eh? Ichie, I was on my own, planning to marry a man that loves me. You came and told me that the prince is going to marry me. You made empty promises. Now the prince dumped me. I went and married somebody else. And the same man that wanted to marry me has gotten married to another person. Everybody in this village is laughing at me. All the men in this village are running away from me. Listen, let me tell you. If you know what is good for the both of us, better go and see my people and do the needful.
Do you know you are stupid? Ozoma, do you know that you are a fool? You and I know that the reason the prince rejected you is it because you are no longer a virgin. And you expect prince to accept you. It's not possible now. You are the one that caused your problem. Yes. You're the one that caused your problem. See, you better get out of this side before my wife meets you here.
it not better unless my co-wife come and welcome the new wife because new wife are land go back?
Huh?
Ah, see my co-wife now.
What's happening here? Ozema, what is it? What is happening?
Ask your husband. Wait, what did I say? I mean, ask our husband. He will explain better.
Our husband?
Yes, now you heard me right.
Nine. What kind of embarrassment is this? Yeah? Ozioma, whatever you call yourself. If I go in there, come out and still meet you here, I will tear you into pieces.
There's nothing you can do. Listen, let me tell you, since our husband, my darling husband, refused to say anything, I was on my own. And your husband asked me more about Ozioma. Simu, Ozioma, leave that useless boy that wants to marry you. He even called him a church rat. And I left him because he made promises. I didn't know it was fake. Fake empty promises. That the prince was going to marry me. Hi! The prince rejected Omali Changwa Negodumo. Negodumo. The prince rejected Omali Changwa de Kamu. I went and married somebody else. Now, the man that was supposed to marry me left me. Everybody in this village, they are all laughing at me. If you know what is good for you, better tell him, oh. Tell him to go and see my parents because they hold him now. No leave, no transfer.
You have just told a fat lie. You have just told a fat lie. If you know what is good for you, take your sorry self and get out of this place. If not, the thunder that will fire you, Ozioma, whatever you call yourself.
Man,
now you just hold it. Don't provoke me. Hold it. Wait. No, you wait. Now listen, let me tell you something. If I go in there and come back here and meet you, if I come out here and meet you, I will tear you into pieces. Now what do you want to say?
Hold on.
I'm not ready for you yet. Take yourself and get out of this place. Now!
I am not going. What will you do? If you kill me, at least the world will know that you and your husband, you people rendered me useless and killed me. Whatever you see, you face it. In our time.
Manek. Wait. Ozioma, you said you are in your husband's house, and I'm that your husband they're talking about. Okay, you want me to marry you?
Yes.
It's okay, no problem. Manek, just go in. No problem. When I come back, we'll sort it out.
You don't You're not making it work. Come back. Come back and make sure when you're coming back, you will not pass through that gate. You will not pass through that gate.
They go to my husband.
My friend, will you shut up? Are you mad? Are you mad?
My best friend's mother. I'm respecting you.
Get out of this place. Okay, you will not get out.
Yes.
You remain there, idiot. I'll wait for that
Please, if you cook anything in that house, bring for me and come and show me my room. Wait. My husband, please do and come back so that you can show me my room. Nonsense. It's not church. After ruining my life, you think you and your husband, you cannot do anything.
My fellow elders, I called you people because of the disgrace and humiliation we got from that young prince. The way he disgraced us before our daughters. I don't like it one bit. Not only that he insulted us, he took my Onowu title and gave it to Zuako. In the presence of everybody. My fellow elders, we just have to be very careful. We must do something now. Because if we allow him to follow this pattern, because one day, he will just wake up and sack all of us here. I am of the view that we do something very fast before he becomes the Igwe. What do people suggest we do?
My fellow elders, if you ask me, I will say what the prince did is right, it's good. We all heard the prince say that the father, the late Igwe, told him that all the allegations levied against his Zuako by the Onowu that made him to expel him from the palace are all fake. So, if the prince chooses to compensate his Zuako with the position of Onowu, so be it. As for Onowu, next time, you mind your business. Yes. If Izuako was not a good man, he would have sued all of you to court and demand compensation. Yes. For you know, if I knew this is the reason you called this Inakaku's meeting, I would have attended. Nonsense. Going.
What is the meaning of this nonsense Banifo has just done now? Is he trying to play a good person or what?
Ezeka, are you the one asking this question as if you don't know Ichem Banefo and his suspicious character? Huh? I don't understand you. I'm only blaming Ono for calling him in this kind of meeting. He shouldn't be here. I'm only blaming Ono.
Well,
you have had it.
My fellow elders, let's forget about Mbanefo. It's nobody. I am of the view that we do something very fast, either to eliminate him or to stop him from becoming the king. We must do something very fast, or else one day all of us will be in bondage for the rest of our life. We must act fast now. My elders, I support what Onowu just said. Let us act fast now.
You people are saying a different thing, but my own side, there is a problem in my house. So.
What is the problem?
Okay. That girl I went to the palace with to know if the prince will choose her as his wife to be. She is right now in my house because the prince did not choose her. And she said that because of me, the man that was supposed to marry her dumped her for another woman. So she's now in my house saying that I must marry her as my second wife. So as I speak to her, she's in my house within her bags.
Are you serious? Nam, you are very lucky.
That's a good thing.
Just go home and enjoy your new wife.
It's a good thing.
You know
you're a madman. I should go home and enjoy my new wife.
Exactly. Go home.
Have you asked yourself the question I'm going to face in my house? Have you asked yourself that question? The problem I'm going to face in my house. You say I should go home and enjoy my new wife. I don't blame you.
Jam, go home.
What am I shut up? Keep quiet.
Cabinet meeting.
Keep quiet.
Free food. Go home. Free food. Do you know?
Are you serious about what you just told us there? Or are you trying to play with us? That the girl in question wants you to marry her. Are you serious?
What kind of nonsense question is that? Pius, I'm asking you, what kind of nonsense question is that? Do I look like I was joking when I said that? I am serious.
Hey, then tell me, what are you going to do now?
Are you the one asking this question? You are asking as if you don't know Ichie Ezobi again. Eh? See, let me tell you. Once I get to my house, I will ask her to leave my house. And if she refuses, I will push her. I will push her out.
Hey, wait, my friend, calm down. If I am to suggest as your friend, when you get to your house, ask her to leave quietly. But when she refuses and insists that you must marry her, my friend, you don't have any other choice than to accept. Yes, because you are a man and you have every right to marry as many wives as you want.
Ichie Pius. Can you hear yourself talk? Can you hear yourself talk? If I ask her to leave and she refuses, I'll have no option to marry her. Don't you think that my wife will see that I have already planned it and looking for a way to bring her into my house as a second wife? You are saying this and it sounds so easy to you. Will you come to my house to quench the fire, to quench the trouble when it will start?
My friend, you are a man. Eh? Tell your wife anything. She will understand.
Let me tell you something. this you are saying now will not work. My wife will think that I purposely planned it. You know women. What I saying is not possible.
You are the man of the house. Eh? You have right to marry as many wives as you want. Just tell her anything and she will understand. Yes.
Okay, it's all right.
My son, all I'm trying to say is that you should be very careful with those elders. They are not happy with you at all. They are not happy with the choice you made, leaving their own daughter to choose Ichie Izako's daughter. They are not happy. Secondly, taking the Onowu's position and giving it to Ichie Izako, Onowu is not happy about it. He is very bitter. Do you know that he came back that same day complaining to me?
What did you tell him?
I told him that you have every right to choose whom to marry. And for the betterment of this kingdom, you also have every right to choose whom to work with. That there is something called change of government and it's allowed.
Mom, I like your response to him. You have said it all. You see, if one must run a transparent government, he doesn't need bad people around him. He is evil, and I cannot work with him. If he has a problem with me replacing him as the Onowu of this kingdom, he should come to me directly, and I'll tell him why I did that. So don't worry. I have everything under control.
It's okay. But still, you have to be very careful with them, please.
That's all right. Ichie.
My prince.
I'm trying to understand you. Did you say the elders had a meeting and said all kinds of stupid things about me?
Yes, my prince. Even said insulted them by not choosing any of their daughters, especially Pamela. And you went ahead to crown Ichie Izwako, as you know, without praying for me.
So what's their next line of action?
I didn't stay to the conclusion of their meeting. I left in anger. I was very upset.
You made a mistake, Ichie. You should have waited until the end of that meeting. We need to know their plans. You need to know what they are up to.
I'm sorry, my prince. It won't happen again. I have to take my leave now.
Listen to me. We have to watch them very closely.
Agreed. Let me take my leave, my prince. Thank you.
So, man, the reason I called you here is to talk about this girl in this house. I mean, our daughter's friend, Uzoma. Because if you look at this matter very well, you will see that this thing is just a temptation. And if we don't handle it very well, it will result to something else.
So, that we is very annoying because you brought her here in the first place. So don't be saying we.
Why are you talking like this? Eh? Why are you talking like this? You and I were here in the morning when she walked in here with her bag. And I asked her to leave. She refused. Will I push her out? So this is no time to apportion blame. Let's put heads together and see how we are going to handle this and how we are going to solve this matter. Eh?
We should put heads together. Nah, this your story is getting too long and I do not understand it. Where are you driving at?
Okay, fine. Let me make it clear to you. if you ask me, I'm just suggesting, if you ask me, I will suggest we should allow her to stay for at least 3 months, 4 months, or higher 6 months, so that I can sort things out with her. I know what to do. Let's put her together. At least, let's take her as one of us. At least 6 months. Before then, I will sort things out.
Yeah, you are even migrating from 2 months to 3 months, 3 months to 6 months. You have failed. Yes, Nayi, you have failed. That is your plan. To keep her here from 2 months to 6 months, so that you can get her pregnant and make her permanent. You have told a lie. It will not work. You see that your plan will not work. I know it from the beginning. I know what you were planning from the beginning. Why would I shout? Why would I shout? Don't provoke me.
What is wrong with that girl staying in this house? How many rooms do we have here? Are you sleeping in all the rooms? We have other empty rooms here. So if she say there's no problem with that. I don't know why you are shouting.
I don't even know why I'm even talking to you. Ozoma! Ozoma! Where is this idiot? Ozoma! Come out here, come out here!
Now. What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? Why?
Shut your dirty mouth. Do you hear me? Get inside, get your things and get out of my husband's house. Yes, now!
What did you say?
You heard me well. I'm very clear too. Get yourself out of this place.
But that's a lie. I am not going anywhere. I told you when I came earlier. No leave, no transfer. And let me sound this to your ears. In Ania, a woman cannot pursue her fellow woman out of a man's house. I'm a member. What you came for is exactly what I came for.
Shut up! Just shut your dirty mouth up. Have you seen it? No, I'm asking you, have you seen it? Have you seen the insult you have brought to me in this house? Look at this idiot. She's addressing me the way she likes. Have you seen it? You're even cleaning her body. You're drawing her down. Nani! I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. It's not your fault. You will go in there, take your things and leave this place. If not, what I will do to you, you will not believe it.
What? What did you say? Are you the man of this house? Did you build this house for me? Are you the one that built this house for me? And you are sitting down there giving orders in my own house.
My darling husband, my bag is still in the parlor since I came. Please, where is my room so I can go and keep my bag in the room?
Go and keep it in my room.
You won't dare, she will, if I hit you. If I hit you, see, if you dare it.
I'm respecting you because of my friend though. I'm respecting you because of my darling friend. My darling husband. Please talk to my co-wife. Tell her to respect
You are mad! You are mad! Look, my friend, you better behave yourself! You better behave yourself because I will tear you into pieces! I will tear you into pieces! Just try it and let me see! Try it and let me see! If you are born of a woman, come and try it and let me see! Nonsense! Going where? Going where? I'm asking you. Matilda! Matilda!
Who is that?
Matilda! Please, I am begging you. I have not come for a problem, but I'm begging you. Talk to your daughter. Tell your daughter to leave my house. If she does not leave my house by this time tomorrow, Matilda, what I will do to that girl, you will not like it.
So, it is now your turn to come and warn me to come and talk to my daughter. When I was telling you to warn your husband to stop deceiving her, did you listen to me? I told you that if she misses the man that is supposed to marry her, she will become your co-wife. Did I not tell you? Oh, after your husband has deceived her, brainwashed her, and she lost the chance of marrying the priest, she equally lost the chance of marrying the young man she has been in a relationship with over how many years? You expect her to just sit back and relax. No, nah, it is not done that way, madam. Okay? Accept her, she's your co-wife. And nothing should happen to her. Let me just warn you. You are not the only person that know how to warn people. Let me warn you too. So nothing should happen to my daughter.
So this is the rubbish that you are saying. So it is your plan, no wonder. No wonder. It is your plan, Okoya. You have failed. Matilda, you and your daughter, you are both failed. It will not work. I want to ask you something. Does your daughter not have sense to know what is good and what is bad for her? No, I'm asking you. Is she a fool? Answer me.
Let me tell you, madam.
Just keep it there. Keep it there.
I will not keep anything there.
Keep it there.
See.
Now let me warn you. You just hold on, let me warn you.
Okay, warn.
If you don't come and collect that your daughter, I will pieces her. I will cut her into pieces.
Not only pieces.
If you think I'm joking, try
Let me tell you, tell your husband to come and pay her bride price, oh. That's the only thing that's remaining. She is his second wife. She's your co-wife. Accept her like that. There's nothing you can do. You have not seen anything. No, you're coming to warn me. Come and take your daughter. As what? When I was telling you, did you listen to me?
Nigga, you have to start coming home. Come now. Yes, because this Ozioma of a girl will leave my husband's house. Definitely sure. Also, just enter and come. Yes, I'm here. Nothing is happening. Okay.
Babe, I want to go to my father's house. There is a very big problem.
Problem? What kind of problem is that?
My mother called me and told me that Ozioma, who is my best friend, has been staying in my father's house for some days now. My father was able to confuse and convince that girl that she was going to get married to the prince because of his greed. Which later didn't happen because the prince got married to another person. So Ozioma and my father decided to get married to frustrate my mother. But that is not going to happen because I am going there now.
Why? I don't understand. Why?
Do not worry, because you will understand. You will know why. Because I am going there. When I come back, you will know what. You will know everything you want to know.
Babe, please calm down. Don't go and hurt anybody.
Leave the hurt. When I come back, we'll know who will get hurt.
Babe.
Oh no! Thank you for the cola.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the cola.
You are welcome.
Thank you for the cola. Oh no. The reason I am here is to ask you some questions.
Oh, please do.
Though I don't want to ask you the questions in the presence of other cabinet members for a reason.
Good.
Now that question is, this thing we are planning, what if at the end of everything we succeed? How are we going to share the position among we the elders of the land? What is very important?
Obosa. Hey. Ikezobi.
No.
It's very simple. When everything is finally settled, for sure, I will take the Igwe title. And you know what title goes to you. Simple.
Bawam. Hello. Hello, Gunnia. Hello, Gunnia.
Ikezobi.
Everybody here will not. I want to suggest something.
Yes.
I want with the elders, with the cabinet members, to sit together and discuss about it. Possibly, let's take an oath, because I don't want any of us to betray us. You know you can't trust anybody. We might discuss something today. Tomorrow, one or the other person might say what we're doing is not what we discussed. So that is why. But if you go into an oath, nobody will try that nonsense.
Ichiezobi.
No.
You have a very good point there.
Okay.
And when we get to that place, we will swear the oath first before anything.
No, we go.
One time.
We have to take an oath first before we go into anything, before we do anything. I hear you say, come there for you.
One for the road.
God disposes. God searches. God searches.
Uzoma, so it's true. Uzoma, please tell me, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you. What are you doing in my husband's house?
Eh? What did you just say? Uzoma, did I hear you say husband? Okay, fine. Please just tell me, who is your husband?
You don't know. I can see that you are too dumb. But, I mean, I'm too good. You're my friend, so I'm going to tell you who my husband is.
Okay.
He is Ichiezobi, your father. Do you have a problem with that?
Yes, I do have a problem with that, Uzoma. Of course, I have a very big problem with that. So, Uzoma, you're trying to tell me that you carry this your two filthy legs, left your father's house to mine to put problems between my parents? Really? You know what? I am not going to allow that to happen, because today, before the count of 3, go in there, pack your trash, and get your filthy self out of my father's compound.
And at the count of 3, you should get your sorry self out of my husband's house. Go back to your husband's house, because I am in my husband's house and you have no right whatsoever to take me out of here.
Mama. Yes, Papa.
He has gone for their chief counsel.
Mama, do not worry. Because today, I am going to teach this church rat, this whore, a very big lesson. Where is her bag? You see, this idiot, this muggle, a very big lesson. A lesson that you will not forget quickly.
Please shush, you are making noise. I don't have your time.
Me? Mama, please tell me where this whore bags are. Inside. Mama, come on, show me. Come.
You better not touch my bag. Nara grab Unu. Don't touch my bag. Look at this church rats. Trying to pull me out of my husband's house. What is going on?
Now, get your sorry self out of my father's house.
You get out of my husband's house. I am not moving. You
go
out! I said go. Go to your house. Don't come back. Take me out. You will go. You cannot do anything. You will go. You cannot do anything. Touch me.
You must go today.
You are backing.
Okay, wait. Neka, wait. You are not living up where?
Yes.
You are not living up where? You wait.
Osama, so you've tried to frustrate my mother's life, eh?
Who are you?
So in this village, you are the problem.
Stop making noise.
My mother
You
will have
make
a lot. So I make problem.
Yes.
I make noise a lot. In my own father's house, Osama, you are shameless.
You are shameless.
You are a whore.
You are a whore.
You are a prostitute. Go and marry. Go and marry. Go and marry. Come back. This is my bag. Nonsense.
Amarati. Osama. Amarati. Amarachi, Nneka, I am just coming back from meeting. And Osama called me and told me that both of you Chase her out of my house, especially you, Neka. Now tell me, what right do you have to send Ozom out of my house? Eh? What right do you have to send her out of my house? Now listen to me. I am a man, a full-grown man, and I have every right to marry as many wives as I want. What is your problem?
Well, Papa, point of correction. I am not stopping you from marrying as many wives as it pleases you. The only thing I am stopping you from doing is marrying Ozioma, who was once my friend.
And who are you to tell me who to marry? I'm asking you, who are you to tell me who to marry? That's your boyfriend you are living with. Am I the one that choose him for you?
Boyfriend, yeah. Papa, he is now my husband. Did you forget he paid my bride price?
Which bride price? Who paid your bride price? That idiot, that fool. Which bride price?
Papa, swear he did not collect money. I swear he did not collect money.
I did take the money for this. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Are you stupid? I am talking and you are talking. I am talking, you are talking. Idiot. Now listen to me. I am giving both of you 20 minutes to go and bring Ozoma back to this house.
Well,
for not to do that.
Papa, sorry to say this to you, Just accept my condolences because Ozoma is one thing that is never stepping a foot in this house again.
As in who? As in who? I am who? You are giving orders in my house. As who? Amarachi, you and your daughter should go and bring Ozoma back to this house. Go and bring Ozoma back to this house.
You are not even ashamed of yourself. Can you hear yourself talk? I thought you said you had nothing to do with that girl. So she's not your wife.
I said that before, but I have let her change my mind.
Oh, you changed your mind?
I let her change my mind. You have no right to tell me whom to marry and whom not to marry. I have every right to marry, even if it is 20 wives. I have every right to marry them.
Okay, sorry to disappoint you. You see that idiot? She will never step into this compound.
Exactly.
Amarachi, Neka. Both of you should go. You are shouting. You are shouting.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No, but that girl will not step into this compound. That particular girl will not step into this compound. I told you.
Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. That is why we are here.
Yes. I've heard all you said. If I made the prince mad or kill him so that you will know we become the king. Exactly. Is it not what you want?
Exactly.
But you know the kingship in Omenka family.
Yes, we know.
It's hereditary.
We know.
A lot of things are involved. Before you can shift it away from that family, you need to go series of sacrifices. And it will take long, like 4 market days. After which, you come back so that I will make easier.
As na mberede yeri dike, mana mberede ka aje mal dike. We know the risk we took to leave our kingdom to come to our own kingdom. All we want you to do is just to help us. What are you this in Kenke? Because
no, wait. Otabugwe, from what you said, I understand that you said it is not an easy journey.
Yes.
But you will do it for us.
Yes.
And that means you have to go and come back in 4 market days.
Exactly.
What they said.
Exactly.
Exactly.
As the gods have spoken,
okay,
you go and come back. But before you go, I'll tell you the requirements.
Okay. And what are the requirements?
The requirements. 1.
What's going on here?
On our way coming back from where we went to, we saw these 2 ladies attacking the princess, so we arrested them.
My princess, not true. We were just trying to.
My friend, will you keep quiet?
It's not like we were attacking her.
Stop lying! I keep quiet.
You two are bloody liars. You wanted to attack the princess. If not for the intervention of the guards, you would have injured her.
Hey, this girl
My
can lie
prince.
you. My prince, we
We're just trying to be friendly, oh.
Yes.
You know, since she's going to be our next queen, we just want to be her friend.
That's all. My prince, you can.
We're
you
just
can
trying to
ask
be nice
her
to
now.
her.
Please say something. We did not attack you.
Are you sure about this?
My prince, I'm very, very sure. I saw them with my eyes. They were calling Chisom's father an evil man. That he used juju to blind you from seeing them. So you have eyes for only Chisom.
Will you?
My prince, these two are liars. Don't be this their face, so liars.
My prince, no understand.
You keep quiet. Okay, that's enough.